Here you have the Eskew road crossing near Boonville, Indiana. This replaced a pair of crossbucks not so long ago by Norfolk Southern. This is on a branch line that goes off of the NS Evansville branch, and this pretty much just leads to a couple coal mines. Here's the first signal here. This is a Siemens cantilever with the Rayco logo on it. I have no idea why. Let me get the emergency information from NS. The crossing dot number is 3925314D. There's also another sign. The lights are safe trim 12x20-inch lights with GE uniform logo. Siemens gate mechanism. As you can see, it's attached like that. This is looking south along the branch towards the Evansville branch. There on the Evansville branch, west from there, it's like a fork. Actually, I should also mention this line continues south and goes to a power plant. But west from the Evansville branch is out of service, abandoned, and then east continues to the NS Southern and West District. So this is quite a ways off, in the middle of a bunch of just branch lines and stuff. Here's the relay case, brand new. For some reason, this is mainly why they did a tour here. We got these massive signals. So here's the first. We got a safe train base, emergency information, the lights, more signals. I also want to point out that the cars have no rear mast lights. Yeah, this is very interesting. Let these cars pass. Concrete. I'm pretty sure they just redid this whole road, and that's why the crossing signals got installed here. Second mass signal. Safe train base. Emergency information. More safe trains information. A little bit rusty, but this is still used. They're in okay shape. And right here, this is looking west. Line turns west here. There's also another branch right down there with a crossbuck crossing. That goes up to Greenbrier, Indiana. And eventually up to Buckskin, Indiana, to the Indiana Southern Railroad. Let me get back for this last shot. If you don't get off, if the train doesn't go off on the branch line down there, it continues. There's just a coal mine. There's an Illinois terminal engine there, as well as some other strange engine. So here's the final signal. Here's another overview of the crossing. So this signal here is pretty much similar to the first cantilever, except for one difference. It's another Siemens cantilever with the Rayco logo. Some more Safe Trend 12x20" lights with GE uniform looking. These interesting slopes. Siemens gate mechanism. General signals type 3 electron. Another look at the mass signal. So this is the Eskew Road, I believe that was the name, and railroad crossing in Boonville.